Welcome to
Fully Cooked, because we cook like a bunch of fools too.
Fully
Cooked!
Welcome! Today I'm going to take you inside of Ikea and show you all the tiny homes that they have inside their showrooms. This particular Ikea is in Israel, and that's where we're living at the moment. They just opened a store here in Beer Sheva, so we get to check it out, and everything in here, all of the design is brand new. It's really nice. Look how small it is. But it has literally everything that you need, plus seating for eating at the end. Literally everything you need. This is a closet with glass on the front. Wow, it looks pretty cool.
She's not tall enough for that one.
Yeah, this is nice. It's not big, but it's very pretty. And look here, a really pretty wallpapered living room. There's another kitchen and living room. Kitchen, dining room, living room, small space. Very nice. Cute little bedroom. Nice bed. Cute little living room. It's about the size of ours. That's the couch that we need right there, not two couches. But we'll do stuff differently when we get our own place. We won't have two couches, we'll have one couch.
I think we're on level 3.
Yeah? Yeah, we did go upstairs, didn't we? And here's another living room. It's very cute.
Hey, that's like I wanted to get in a wall.
Yeah, I like that. That looks really good. Yeah.
I love this couch.
That's 895 shekels. Let's look at this little house. This is 55 meters squared. Living room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom. This is a closet. They draw these out as a shower too, but it must be a closet. Bathroom and bedroom, 2-bedroom, 55 meters squared.
No.
It's a kitchen and dining room right there. Anywhere you go, you're not going to be able to walk around by yourself, so you might as well just get used to filming, yeah? And here's that little bedroom. Bathroom. And look! Look! This is the one that I want to get when we get to the States because it's
Almost the same as the bed
Yeah.
we have.
but I probably won't. It's gray and purple instead of the brown and tan.
Hey, come on.
Yeah, it has, this is everything that you need, isn't it? Big old closet. Oh, look at this rack for all your stuff, except that we get
Wow.
very cluttery and a shelf up here. It's a decent sized room. Get down. Uh, 35 meters squared. The other one was 55. A what?
Over there. Over here.
All right, here's the kitchen. Here, come look at this room. Here's the kitchen, a desk, a living room, TV, a big hallway, which I don't like, a bedroom. So it's 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Come on, come on, we're gonna go in the house.
It's very tall though, which is not realistic.
No.
Look at the thing I told you to look at.
I'm looking at it.
This one. Over here.
What is it?
It's a bill that Mommy has.
Oh, timer.
Come around and look, 'cause it is tiny.
You said it's a big hallway.
She already broke the coffee table.
You broke it, Abigail.
Yeah, you broke it.
Oh
I
yeah.
guess you could put toys in there.
This is actually, I know a lot of people don't like that, but I like the smallest living rooms possible
Yeah,
for
so you can watch
acoustics.
TV and have your sound, yeah.
Yeah,
We've
amazing.
been thinking about putting our living room into a bedroom so we can have a nice experience, like a theater room.
Daddy likes this stuff.
Yes, but he
But anyway, this is unrealistic because look how tall this place is. So it makes you feel like it's big, but it isn't.
Cactus, Daddy.
Yeah, don't get ouchies.
Don't get ouchies, Abigail.
Alright, go to Mama. Yeah, efficient. Hey, that's our tile from the other house. It's pretty good. Very efficient, but it's too tall. It's not realistic. Like this is how tall it would be right here. But yeah, I like it. Organizer. Pretty good. Very small. I won't even fit. Like, how are they fit in here, Andrea? Don't fit in here.
Okay, we're leaving it on. Okay, this is 25 meters squared. It's a big old, I'm sitting in a chair, and here's a day bed because your living room is also your bedroom. There's your TV, here's a dining room table and a desk. It folds out. You have your chairs right here for your dining room. There's your kitchen, it's very nice. Portable trolley. And then your bathroom in there. This is really nice. I want to get cabinets, the top cabinets like this. I never liked glass, but I really do think that looks really good. So I've recently really liked it. This is a very big washroom. Stand-in shower. This is Israeli, and a lot of Europe has this as well, where you just have a wet bath. So your toilet, your sink, it's got everything in here, and storage. It's really nice, and your clothes rack and your. Oh, thank you. And I got a book to go through at home just for looks. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.